I'm gonna show you what I cooked today for dinner. Here it is. So this is chicken with creamy coconut milk with ginger, lemongrass, onion, garlic.
Which we don't eat.
The lemongrass we don't eat. It's only for flavor. And the vegetable is chayote. And what about Teddie? What can you say about it? So man, you know Teddie loves ginger. Ted, where's your ginger? Any ginger on your plate? See your hand? Teddie just finished swimming. Today was swimming for Teddie. That's why he's very
Hungry.
And there you go, creamy coconut chicken. Have fun, guys. Enjoy.